started, guys, with our GBP CPI news breakdown. I will keep it as quick as possible. Okay, yeah, this thing is just massive. Okay, so we will start with our GBP, what we say, JPY and Euro JPY for our breakdown, because in GBP USD and Euro USD the setup was not quite clear. It was a bit sketchy, so I analyzed other GBP cross pairs and confirmed my bias. So let's start with the, hold on man, low internet connection. Let's start with the higher time frame perspective. I have been I have given this breaker block to you, or we can say unicorn, since a long time. In my 2 or 3 weeks ago weekly outlooks, I have said that this is a unicorn and our immediate draw on liquidity is the highs above. So what we were doing, we were respecting 50% of our breaker block, and it was all good. So the daily time frame was selling us a bullish setup, and we have also had a stop hunt 2 to 3 days before, so this was also a positive part in our direction. Now on the 1 hour time frame, just before the news, you will see something interesting happen. Okay, yes, here. So these lows were almost equal lows. On my Wanda broker, it's a small 0.1 pip purge, but on the other brokers I verified it that these were equal lows or a higher low, and it was a bullish SMT with between GBP JPY and Euro JPY. Yes, you can see that clearly. So one thing that I look for is SMTs before my entries. Also one thing is protraction. What is protraction? The news release was somewhere here, and before the news, since the Asian session, the market was just bearish, like completely falling, slow selling. This is called protraction. If this happens before any news, then your bias of bullishness will be very high probability. So this gave me another confirmation and I went long. This was it for GBP JPY and Euro JPY. The main confirmation came with GBP CAD and Euro CAD. So for GBP CAD and Euro CAD, we had a very clear buy program that has started. In my tomorrow's breakdown also, I have marked everything here that this is our breaker block. So this was the trade which I took in the yesterday CAD CPI. I also shared it on Telegram. This is the next trade which happened during the GBP CPI. And still the draw on liquidity that are these highs are pending. So yes, we are still in a buy program. We can still look for buys targeting the high and above. So here before the news, what we have is, if we see GBP CAD and Euro CAD, see this low is a higher low in Euro CAD, but if we see GBP CAD, it's a sweep. So what it is? An SMT. This happened just before the news, and I will show you here. Yes, this happened before the news, and the news released here, yes, on this candle, 2 o'clock. This candle, the news was released. What other confirmation I had? A 5-minute market structure shift along with a breaker block. So this was an extra confirmation, but yes, this SMT and my higher time frame perspective bullish is enough for me to go long in this news trade, along with this LRLR formation which happened the whole day, like from yesterday's news release when it dumped, it was all an LRLR for this move. So I could have held this trade till here, but I booked in the spike because I have very bad experiences sometimes with Euro and GBP news where I have exited my trades at break even. So I never have any higher time frame biases while trading Euro and GBP news. I keep it short term, and I was also getting a decent profit, so it's okay, I'm fine with it. In GBP USD and Euro USD there was no SMT as such, but yes, the main thing, protraction. Like before the news, the market was just falling like something, I don't know what, but yeah, it was just falling, and this is called protraction. My bias is bullish, the market is falling before the news. This is just engineering of liquidity, where sellers think that this support, yes, this was a strong support for support resistance traders. When market broke down below it, many people will be short here with their stops above this high, long-term traders with their stops above this high. So what happened? The news released and whoop, I booked somewhere here in this spike itself. It has gone a long way up there. It's fine, I am happy with what I booked. So this is it, guys. There was no very much rocket science in this trade. It was as simple as this. So I hope you guys catched it. Many of you catched it. I got a lot of DMs on Twitter. About 5 to 6 people sent me a DM that yes, they took the trade. Many people also shared their view before the news. I guided them personally and said that yes, your view is correct, trade it. So it's okay. Those who are active enough and want to learn will receive the reward. Thank you guys. Happy trading and safe trading.